silent. And oh, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Nick Dog video. We're out here, Redbed, like always. Oh, we should have went down there. We went down there. Gotta be careful, this is a two-way trail, I believe. Oh, that's that one dude. That's Timberland. I seen a trail back there and I saw it before. So, we're here, we're gonna hit it. Yeah, this is a new one for me at least. Sweet, sweet. No way. Oh man. Damn it.
You might be fucked. You gotta get under there. Looks like somebody went up this.
Yeah, I think they went around it.
They went to the other side.
Oh,
Just slide, dude.
gave it too much gas, dude. You should have just,
Chilled it out.
yeah, like torqued it up.
Torque it, baby.
This guy's crazy.
I just don't want that branch to catch my help, man. You gonna catch me though?
Huh?
You gonna catch me and turn?
Turn your bars. Here.
Oh no.
Oh damn, dude.
That would have caught me, huh?
Yeah, this is like a rope.
Even this.
That?
Might hit my peg.
There. Holy shit, it comes out right here, dude. Send it, you got it. It wants to go, oh yeah. There he goes. Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay.
Yeah. Savage.
Fuck, that's scary, dude.
All right, you guys smash that like button for that. That's a straight drop he just went down. I know GoPro kills it, but trust me, that's no joke. Now my squid ass is gonna go under the tree because I'm cool off that.
Oh shit.
Looks hella steep, dude.
I was more scared about that. The tree.
Catching you, huh? Yeah, I gotta go under this somehow. Damn, I can't even crawl under it. What the fuck? Come on, baby, you got it. Ah. See, that's how you do it, David.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
I mean, what fun is it if you just ride the same shit all the time? You gotta find some stuff. Whoa. Where's my bat? Oh. Sketch! Oh.
Oh shit, you're fucking pushing it all the way down.
Alright, see where we come out at, dude. Right, just right here.
We didn't even look up this way. Alright, now let's go up here.
Dude, they need to seriously cut that tree though. That'd be sweet
No, that's a sick little trail.
to go up. Alright, guys. We're gonna end this video right here because I know there's a lot of breathing and a lot of walking and a lot of stuff, so subscribe. Peace.